Hi friends, welcome to Trending Stocks. Kindly subscribe to my channel for the latest market updates and also the multi-bagger tips. Today we are going to discuss about a new multi-bagger stock. This company actually listed only in BSE. It's not listed in NSE, but it's this company is an excellent multi-bagger stock for around 3 to 4 years. You will get somewhere around 35 times return. So we will explain you in details, so kindly watch the video till end. So I'll show you the company name. It's not like any other channel. I will show you the company name in the beginning itself. Don't skip the video because you have to watch the video till end, then only you will come to know what I am saying, why this company is multi-bagger. So try to watch the video till end. So the company name is Maurya Udyog Limited. So the company script name is MUL in BSE. This company is listed only in BSE, and you can see the current trading price is 15.02 and it's on upper circuit. You can see here. So surely the target for 3 to 5 years, I told you somewhere around 250 to 300 range. So we will go into the details of that. So before that, I will show you here. Right now we are in BSE. So this is a company Maurya Udyog Limited, 15.02 at upper circuit. You can see here the company's market capitalization is only 20 crore, and the total volume traded, weekly volume traded, is very less. You can see here only 9,740 weekly volume, and around 20,000 volume traded on last trading session. So you can see 79% taken delivery. I will tell you the reason why it is only this much of volume, because there is no free floating shares in the company, because almost 75 to 76% hold by the promoter. 75% is for promoter and only 26% is with the public, that also with the major stakeholders. So only the free floating shares are very less. You can see the income statement for last month and last quarter and previous quarter. You can see the difference here. So this is the reason the company is right now it is moving ahead. You can see around 35 crore quarterly sale the company has been made, and company's earning per share itself around 2.03 for the last quarter. And while we are coming to the company's market capitalization is only 20 crore. So here itself we can come to know it's undervalued share, and surely our target of around 250 to 300 is easily achievable in 3 to 4 years. So we will go into the company's fundamental. So you can see here. First we will go into the company's website. So what is Maurya Udyog Limited? So actually they are the manufacturer and exporters of LPG cylinders, valves, regulators, and LPG accessories. So if you go to the products list, you can come to know here: cylinders, LPG cylinders, regulators, valve, LPG accessories, terry towels. So these are the major products they are making. You can see here these are the major products. So everyone's home we are using this thing, what we call LPG gas cylinders and regulators and all those stuff. So they are the one manufacturing for all the companies like Total and many companies in India and also abroad. Around 75 countries they are supplying. 75 countries they are supplying this. So we will go into that. So just you can see here, this is the company's catalog. You can see here. So if you are going to the next page, you can come to know they have monopoly in this. You can see here MUL is authorized to manufacture supply cylinders as per the ADR TPD requirement of the European Union, DOT USA. MUL India is the only USA DOT 4BA DOT DWD approved manufacturer. Our assignation number issued because they have provided the assignation number. They are the only one manufacturer in India supplying this kind of cylinders. So that itself shows their monopoly in that. You can see their product range. So you can see the product range. So if and you can see here the company's let us go to the shareholding pattern. Here you can see that company is holding around 73 percentage and there is no pledge at all. So this company is an excellent company. Try to add in your portfolio as per your wealth. So this company will perform in the coming days. Thank you very much.